Hello! Today I'm going to show you my method for making boards and beams with a chainsaw. I've condensed it to its most simple form because that's how I like things, simple. So I'll show you everything from beginning to end as much as possible, and I'll try to explain what I do and why I do it. Hope you like it. So first I position my beam. It's best to prepare the site a bit better than I did this time. It's been a bit of a rush this year. So first part is of course positioning the beam. I like to put it on logs like this because it makes it easier to clean up and it's more comfortable when I saw. Next is the support pieces. The pieces that will support my guide plank. Now I usually put it about halfway on the beam. The level is important to set it up level, so it will rest. So my board will rest firmly on it. Otherwise, it could get pretty wobbly. So as you see, I've placed one nail here to hold it in place. As you may see, it's quite level. Often I don't even need the level. I can just see it by eye that it's fine. So now it's time for the other nail. Now time for the other side. I don't think I have anywhere convenient to place my camera for this. In actual fact, it has to be very crooked to